Every Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece. But did you know the story behind this iconic brand begins not in luxury, but in despair? This is the story of how a poor boy's dream changed the world forever. In 1863, Henry Royce was born into a life of hardship. Orphaned at just 9, he worked tirelessly, delivering newspapers to support his family. But even amidst poverty, there was a spark of potential waiting to ignite. At 14, a railway apprenticeship changed Henry's life. Over the next decade, he mastered engineering, launching his first business with just £20. When faced with failure, he turned to his love for perfection. A noisy Decoville car became the starting point for the smoothest ride in history. In 1904, Royce met Charles Rolls, a partnership that would revolutionize automobiles. Together, they launched the Rolls-Royce brand, setting new standards for luxury and reliability. The Silver Ghost became a symbol of engineering excellence. Royce's relentless pursuit of perfection was tested on racetracks and endurance trials, proving that luxury could also mean performance. When World War I struck, Rolls-Royce pivoted. From luxury cars to armored vehicles and aircraft engines, they proved that innovation could thrive even in adversity. Their engines became a key factor in Britain's aerial dominance. From the Silver Ghost to today's Phantoms and Cullinans, Rolls-Royce has evolved while staying true to its roots. Excellence in every detail. It remains the ultimate symbol of achievement. What's your dream? Remember, every masterpiece begins with a single step. Like Henry Royce, never stop striving for perfection.